Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. I hope all of you are fine. Dear students, as you know that we are doing guided assessments and today you are going to do the second assessment of social studies and the topic is celebrations Eid. And today you will do skills book page number 50 and 51 in your assessment. So first of all, let's discuss the learning objectives. Today in the end of the lesson, you have to revise the topic with guided assessment. It is your learning objective. Now, let's discuss the main point of page number 50 and 51. As you know that we have done the topic celebrations Eid previously and now we are doing the revision of the topic. So here we will discuss the main points and previously I told you that Muslims celebrate two Eids in a year. Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. These are the festivals of Muslims. And on the day of Eid, Muslims offers prayer at mosque. They goes to mosque to offer the prayer. And we give presents to the family members. We give money to the poor. Even we arrange dinners or the lunch for the family members. So here are the main points of page number 50 and 51 of your skills book. It is very important to respect people who are different from us. Dear students, if you remember, I told you that we should respect all the people, if they are like us or not. Like if someone is black and someone is white, someone's hands are big and someone's hand is small. Someone is tall and someone is small. We should respect everyone, even if their religions are different. It is important to respect them. As I told you about different religions like Muslims, Hindus, Sikh, and Christians. Here we will discuss about the festivals that they celebrate and about the places where they go for prayer and the ways how they celebrate their festivals. First of all, we will discuss at Baisakhi. The festival Baisakhi, Sikhs say prayers at the Gurdwara. Dear students, Baisakhi is the festival, Sikhs is the religion, and Sikhs says prayers at the Gurdwara. Walk along the streets and give out free food to anyone they see. On Baisakhi, Sikhs offers their prayers at Gurdwara, then they walk along the streets and they give food, free food to the people to whom they see. After the sixth festival Baisakhi, we will discuss at Diwali. Diwali is the festival Hindu says prayers at temple. Dear students, as Muslim says prayers at mosque, Sikh says prayers at Gurdwara, same like this, Hindu says prayers at temple. Light candles and fireworks and give food to the poor. They give presents and have a big family meal. These are the activities that Hindus do on their festival Diwali and they offer their prayers at temple. Now come on the next one at Christmas. Christmas is the festival. Christian says prayers at the church. Dear students, Christian says prayers at church and their festival is Christmas. Decorate trees and give money to the poor. They give presents and have a big family meal. These are the activities that Christians do. Now come on at Eid. Muslims say prayers at mosque, give presents to each other, help poor and have a big family meal. This is about Muslims, that Muslims celebrate Eid and they offer prayers at mosque. Now come on the next one. We should respect all people, whatever their religion. It means we should respect everyone, either he is Sikh, Hindu, Christian or Muslim. It is our responsibility to respect everyone as our religion said us. Now we are going to start our assessment. Please take out your skills book and keep it in front of you. Open page number 50. Write down date and day on the top of the page. First of all, write down day, classwork and date. Please write down day, classwork and date. I hope all of you have done. Dear students, assessment is too much easy. All of you knows all the answers. If you listen me carefully, then you can do the assessment in just 1 or 2 minutes. So please be attentive. I am going to start the reading of the question A. The topic is respecting others, and the question A is complete the sentences. You have to complete the sentences. There is no word bank, but in fact there is the word bank with the pictures. There are 4 pictures: a mosque, a temple, a church, and a gurdwara. These are the places where the people of different religions go to say prayer. You have to write down the correct place with correct religion. As number 1 is Muslim celebrates Eid. As all of you know that Muslim celebrates Eid. They say prayers in. Now you have to write down in the blank that where Muslims say prayer: at mosque, a temple, a church, or a gurdwara. Please write down your answer. Whenever you will write down the answer, please cut that one picture or the answer from the word bank. Number 1 is Muslims celebrate Eid. They say prayers in dash. I hope all of you have done. There are 4 options: a mosque, a temple, a church, a gurdwara. I hope all of you have done. Now come on number 2. Hindus celebrates Diwali. As you know that Hindus celebrate Diwali. They say prayers in. Where Hindus go to say prayer? You have to write down the name of the place where Hindu says prayer: a mosque, a temple, a church, a gurdwara. Please write down your answer. A mosque, a temple, a church, a gurdwara. I hope all of you have done the answer. Now come on number 3. Christians celebrate Christmas. Dear students, Christians celebrate Christmas. They say prayers in. Now where Christians say prayer, you have to write down the name of the place: a mosque, a temple, a church, or a gurdwara. Please write down your answer here. I hope all of you have done. Now come on the 4th one. Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. As you know that Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. They say prayers in. Now where Sikhs say prayer, you have to write down the name of the place, and the 4 options are a mosque, a temple, a church, a gurdwara. A mosque, a temple, a church, a gurdwara. I hope all of you have done. Now come on page number 51. Please write down classwork on the top of this page. It is very easy. Question number B is complete the sentences. Here you will complete the sentences and you can write down here, and you can take the help from page number 50. As number 1 is dash celebrates Eid. Which religion people celebrates Eid? You have to write down here. As you know that we discussed 4 religions: Muslims, Christians, Sikh, and Hindu. Which religion celebrates Eid? Dash celebrates Eid. Please write down the answer. Number 2 is dash celebrate Baisakhi. All of you know that which religions people celebrate Baisakhi, so please write down here the answer. Number 3 is celebrate Diwali. Who celebrate Diwali? Please write here. You can write down the answer. And the last one is dash celebrate Christmas. All of you know that which religions people celebrate Christmas, so it is very easy for you to write down the answer. Please write down your answers by yourself. Don't take help from anyone. You can write down the answers by yourself. So please do it quickly. I hope all of you have done. Okay, students. Stay happy. Stay safe at your home. Allah Hafiz.